Hello you guys, welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Nissan Rogue, and the year for this car is 2020, and I just wanted to show you guys, in this case, the customer, it's not going to be something that happens a lot, but customer showed that he bought the car in an auction, and this is the key that he got. So let's say if it was like a dealer tool or something, you have an option here to do a clone of the key, just like on the other video that we did for the GM. So any case that you see somebody that's having Xhorse key, what I did, I just generate the right key for his car. So I went to Nissan and I generate to the Nissan Rogue, whatever. But then you go to special function and you go to VVDI remote functions and VVDI smart key clone. When I got to here, I just read his key, write this key, and the job was done. The thing is that they're gonna be flimsy a little bit because they are a copy of each other, so one will work and then the other one don't, until you like start with that once, and then as you can see now it works. So this is again another easy way to do a copy when you're using an Xhorse keys. You can just clone them as many as you want.